Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we have a topic on 8 home remedies for dry cough. An unproductive cough is known as a dry cough. For dry cough, we are unable to remove mucus, phlegm, or irritants from your lungs or nasal passages. We can have dry coughs for weeks after a cold or the flu. The first home remedy for dry cough is honey. Honey has antibacterial and wound-healing properties. It can also help to coat the throat, which reduces irritation, pain, and inflammation. You can try taking honey by the teaspoon or add it to chamomile tea or warm water to drink. Never give honey to a child under 1 year old. The second home remedy for dry cough is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin. Curcumin is a compound which may have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. You can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper and make it into a warm tea. The third home remedy for dry cough is saltwater gargle. Gargling with warm salt water will help ease the discomfort and irritation caused by a dry cough. Salt water also helps kill bacteria in the mouth and throat. The salt here pulls out the mucus from your swollen and inflamed tissue. Saltwater gargling helps to relieve the discomfort of the throat. This remedy is not suitable for young kids as they might not know how to gargle with salt water and swallow the salt water. The fourth home remedy for dry cough is ginger. Ginger is very beneficial for dry cough. It can suppress the cough reflex by relaxing the smooth muscles of the airways. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which relieve pain and discomfort. Cut 2 to 3 slices of ginger. Boil the ginger slices in hot water and make a cup of ginger tea. The fifth home remedy for dry cough is humidifier. Dry air can worsen a dry cough. Humidifier helps to increase the moisture in your room. You can also try to take a hot shower as the steam helps to loosen the mucus and can moisturize and soothe your sore throat. The sixth home remedy for dry cough is thyme. Thyme is a herb and it contains a compound called thymol that is believed to have antispasmodic effects. It can help relax the smooth muscles of the throat. Thyme is safe for occasional use only. The seventh home remedy for dry cough is marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is a plant native to Africa and parts of Europe that's used to make an herbal treatment. It can be used to soothe dry cough. It helps to reduce the irritation caused by dry cough. Add marshmallow root powder to a cup of tea to soothe your dry cough. Peppermint is a herb which contains menthol. It helps to numb nerve endings in the throat that become irritated by coughing. It provides relief and reduce the urge to cough. Peppermint also helps to reduce congestion. Make a cup of peppermint tea and soothe your throat. Hope these remedies help in alleviating your dry cough. Do feel free to share with us in the comments if you have any other effective remedies. Take care. Please consult your doctor to figure out the best course of treatment. See you in my next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.